Painting over varnished wood without sanding.
Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be tackling a frequently asked question in the world of DIY home improvements. Is it possible to paint over varnished wood without sanding? The short answer is yes, it's possible. But for a successful result, there are some steps you'll need to follow carefully. Let's get into the details.
Why do people normally sand varnished wood?
The standard method involves sanding before painting to remove the shiny top layer of the varnish. This helps the new paint to stick better. However, sanding can be messy and time-consuming. If you'd rather not deal with the hassle of sanding, there are other ways to prepare your varnished wood for painting.
What do you need to paint without sanding?
The essential material you'll need is a high-quality primer. This acts as a middleman, adhering to both the varnish and the paint. Look for a primer designed to adhere to shiny surfaces. Other materials you'll need include your chosen paint, brushes or rollers, and cleaning materials.
How to paint over varnished wood without sanding?
First, clean the wood thoroughly to remove dust and grime. Any contaminants can affect the primer's ability to stick to the surface. Next, apply your primer. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for drying time. It's critical to let the primer dry completely before moving on to painting. Lastly, apply your paint. Depending on the color and type of paint, you may need multiple coats. Again, let each coat dry completely before adding the next. So, there you have it. You can indeed paint over varnished wood without sanding. It just takes a little extra care in preparing the surface and selecting the right materials. Always remember, the key to a successful paint job is patience and attention to detail. I hope this video has been helpful. Happy painting, everyone!